Welcome to the first lesson of our new Science Distance Learning unit. In this video, you will learn 1. How our time will be structured together during distance learning, 2. About our new unit, Chemistry, and 3. How to complete today's assignment. For the next 9 weeks, you will have 2 science lessons every week. Each of these lessons will take 30 to 45 minutes. In addition, on Fridays, you'll fill out a Google form with a short question. The 2 days that you have to do your science lesson vary by school. Some schools are organizing it by hour of the day. So for example, if you have science first hour, you would complete your science lessons on Monday and Wednesday with no science on Tuesday and Thursday. If you have science fourth hour, you would complete your science on Tuesday and Thursday with no science Monday or Tuesday. Make sure you check with your teacher about your plan. We only have 9 weeks left of school. So with 2 lessons a week for 9 weeks, that's 18 online science lessons for April, May, and June. And our last day of school is June 12th. Now let's talk about what we'll be learning for the next 9 weeks. We'll be learning about chemistry. Some words you might hear include atom, molecules, compounds, physical and chemical changes, nucleus, electrons, atoms, periodic table, and more. We'll also learn about how to engage in distance learning and how to communicate with each other and keep our community strong even when we can't see each other in person. The last thing we'll talk about is how to complete today's assignment. The assignment begins with your learning targets and the learning schedule. Each of the different parts has a blue band. Right now you're in part 1, the video introduction. After this, you'll answer the questions about the science distance learning. You can always delete where it says delete this sentence and write your answer here. So I would delete how many science lessons will we have every week. We will have 2 science assignments every week. Notice that there's optional sentence stems at the bottom in case you get stuck. For the next part, you're going to fill out a KWL chart about what you know, want to know, and about chemistry. Again, you'll delete these sentences and write what you know and want to learn here. Again, there's optional sentence starters at the bottom. If you get stuck with this part, you can watch the video here. For part 3, you'll get to choose 2 videos to watch out of 4 to help you start getting interested in chemistry. You can click here to open the window or click here to open the window to watch the video. After that, you'll go here and write some things that you learned. Finally, you'll reflect on your learning targets. You'll delete this and rate your understanding from 1 to 4. And then you might be asked to share with your classmates in Google Classroom or Flipgrid or maybe another way. At the end of every lesson, you'll always be able to ask any questions you have of me, or if there's anything you want to share with your teachers about school or life, this is the place to do it. Make sure that you always press turn in when you're finished.